Hi, welcome to the course of the strategic role of branding in business. In this course, we will going to explore how to build a powerful business identity that stands out in a crowded market with a cohesive visual identity and a robust brand strategy. The course will be delivered by Andras, a seasoned senior designer with over 10 years of experience in UX design, brand and product design, and Jovan, an experienced marketing consultant specialized in developing marketing campaigns to enhance brand awareness and drive digital engagement. So I will pass now the words to the two guys and enjoy the course.
Hi, I'm Andras. So how Matt said, I'm a designer, and I will take over the first chapter of this course. And this is developing a cohesive visual identity. So your visual identity goes beyond just a logo. It's a visual language that reflects your brand presentation, values, and promises. So this is including your logo, colors, fonts, images, and other visual elements. Make it instinctively recognizable and create emotional response you want from your audience. So your logo is the first thing people associate with your brand. It should be unique, scalable, and reflect your industry and values. For example, think of Apple logo. It's not just recognizable, but also represents simplicity and elegance, mirroring the brand's design philosophy. Colors convey your brand's personality. Each color triggers different emotion. For instance, blue suggests trust, while the green is linked to the health. Have a variable color palette. It's for different uses, but maintain consistency for brand recognition. Choose fonts that match your brand characters. So each font have a different messages. Luxury brand may opt for elegant serif fonts, while a tech startup may prefer clear sans serif fonts for a modern feel. You should align with your brand character. National Geographic, for example, use vivid, high quality images, emphasize exploration and storytelling. Create comprehensive brand guidelines covering logo placement, color use, fonts, imagery, and more. Apply your visual identity consistently across different platforms, including your website, social media, packaging, and advertising. While your consistency is crucial, regularly review and update your visual identities to stay relevant and fresh. Your brand personality isn't character, playful or serious, cutting edge or traditional. Communication is through your tone, message, and overall communication style. Consistency in language create an emotion connect with your audience, making your brand relatable and memorable.
Hi, my name is Jovan. I'm in business solutions for 5 years and I'm a marketing manager. So in this chapter, we are going to talk about how your strategies can stand out from the other ones. So we are going to talk about setting and achieving brand goals. The first step in this chapter, we are going to talk how to set and achieve your brand goals. Goals needs to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So we call that all together the SMART strategy. For example, instead of the vague goals like increase brand awareness, we should be more specific. For example, we should say we will increase our website traffic for 30% in the next 6 months, or we will grow our social media following by 20% in this quarter. The next step, we need to break down each goal into actionable strategies and tactics. If the goal is to enhance customer engagement, strategies may include launching some innovative social media campaigns or improving customer service response times, or maybe introducing loyalty programs. For that, we need a tactical execution. In this tactical execution, we need to involve specific campaigns on social media platforms, training customer service to enhance the interaction skills, or designing a user-friendly loyalty program. Also, we should regularly monitor the process of the goals to using key performance indicators or KPIs. If the goal is to increase our brand management, then we should look for social media interactions, website session duration, or customer feedback. Also, we need to be prepared to adapt our strategies based on performance data. If the certain strategies are not yielding the expected results, we should try A/B testing approaches and identifying the most effective strategies. In the next chapter, we are going to talk about developing a robust brand strategy, begin with the in-depth market research to understand the competitive landscape, industry trends, and also customer preferences. The research should include analysis of your competitors, marketing condition, customer behavior, and emerging trends. For instance, if you are in a fashion industry, we should examine the current fashion trends, customer spending habits, and the strategies of leading brands. Also, we need to clearly define who our target audience is. So we need to develop detailed buyer personas that include demographic information, psychographics, and also behavior insights. Also, we need to identify what makes our brand unique. This could be, I don't know, for some, our product quality or innovative features of our product, customer service, pricing models, or the brand story. Our unique value proposition should clearly answer why customers should choose our brand over the others. For example, if we took the Apple, people are buying Apple because their unique value proposition are sleek design, user-friendly interfaces, and also reputation for the innovation. Also, we are going to talk about involving brand strategies, strategies for sustained relevance. In the fourth chapter, we will talk about maintaining brand consistency across evolving channels. Consistency in branding ensures our brand recognition and customer trust. However, brands also need to adapt to the changing customer preferences and digital advancements. When crafting an engaging brand narrative, we should pay attention to the next steps. So we should start with the brand origin story. Why was the brand created? What problem does it solve? And what are the core values? In the narrative, this narrative should be a foundation of your storytelling. And we need to integrate our storytelling across all marketing and communication channels. For example, if we took Airbnb, the Airbnb uses storytelling to share their unique customer experiences, turning each stay into the personal narrative. Also, we need to use storytelling to highlight what makes our brand unique. This could be our innovative approach, commitment for sustainability, exceptional customer service, or community involvement. Customer feedback is also essential for understanding how the audience perceives our brand and where improvements are needed. It provides insights into customer needs, preferences, and pain points. So we need to utilize various channels to collect feedback, including surveys, social media, customer reviews, and direct customer interactions. when we have all those data, we need to analyze the feedback systematically to identify common themes, areas for improvement, and potential opportunities for brand growth. And also we need, for the last step, is to integrate customer feedback into our brand story. This could mean adapting our messaging to address customer needs more effectively, or showcasing how customer input has shaped our products or services. So that will be all from my side. Thank you.
Thanks again for your attention. You will find all additional information about the course as well as task to do on the project website. So thanks again and good luck.